Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest and most modern way to install Python on Windows 10, using the brand new Python Install Manager. This is the official tool from the Python team, and it makes the whole setup process much smoother than before. Let's get right into it. First, open your browser. I'm using Microsoft Edge, but any browser works. In the address bar, type python.org and hit enter. Once the site loads, click on the Downloads menu at the top. You'll immediately see the option to download the Python Install Manager. This is what we want. Go ahead and click that download button. The file is small, so it should download quickly. Once it's done, click Open File to launch it. Give the installer a few seconds to load. Once it's ready, you'll see a clean interface with everything you need. If this is your first time and you want more information about the tool, there's a Get Help with this installer link right there. But for now, let's click Install Python to kick things off. A terminal window will pop up and walk you through a few quick configuration steps. Let me explain what each one means. First prompt. It will ask whether you want to allow file paths longer than 260 characters. This is important because Python and some of its packages can exceed Windows' default path limit. Type Y and press enter. If Windows asks for admin permission, click Yes to allow it. Second prompt. It asks whether to add Python to your system path. This is crucial. It lets you run Python from any folder on your computer. Type Y and press enter. Third prompt. It asks whether to install the latest version of CPython, which is the standard Python you'd normally download from python.org. Type Y and press enter. Now just sit back while it downloads and installs automatically. This usually takes less than a minute. Once the installation is done, it may ask if you need help resources. You can type Y to open the Python documentation in your browser, or just type North and close the terminal. Either way, Python is now installed. Let's confirm everything worked correctly. There are two quick checks. Check 1. Start menu. Click the Start button and search for Python. You should see the Python app, the Python idle editor, and related tools listed there. Check 2. Terminal. Click Start again, search for Terminal, and open it. Then type Python version and hit enter. If you see a version number like Python 3.x.x, congratulations, Python is installed and properly configured on your system. If you get an error instead, double-check that you typed Y for the path step during setup. And that's all there is to it. The Python Install Manager makes the whole process straightforward. No manual configuration needed. If you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up, and drop any questions in the comments below. Subscribe for more beginner-friendly tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.